Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today, I really am super excited to finally be able to make this video because these took forever to get here. Like, I waited probably like 3 or 4 months to get them, and just so excited that they're finally here so I can finally review it for you. And it is the Big and Bigger by Bumgenius, which if you have cloth diapered your children before, you've probably heard of Bumgenius. They make products all the way from newborn up to basically adult sizes, and they're a really good brand. I use them on my children. I really preferred with my children the I think it's the, I forget the name of it right now, but it's just the one that's just the cover, like it's not a pocket or anything. And then also the elementals, I really liked those. So I was super excited because I do have a child with special needs that is not potty trained yet. And when I found out that Bumgenius made products for older children and young adults, I was super excited to try them out. So let's get into it. But this one is the Bumgenius Big, and this is on its lowest rise setting. It is very similar to, you know, their one size and other products that they make for babies and infants, where it has the same 3-step rise, and it has, you know, the 2 rows of waist snaps. It does have, you know, they're kind of like stretchy tabs. This one I picked out the print. It says "You Are My Sunshine" on it. And they have a bunch of different prints. They also have solid colors if you don't want to get any prints. This one, I love the print because the "You Are My Sunshine" song is kind of special to me because my grandma, who I'm named after, used to sing it to me when I was little, and I just always think of her. So that's why I got this one. And then this one is the Bigger, and this is on its biggest rise, or yeah, this is on its biggest rise setting. And same thing, has my bad, it's actually a 2-step rise, so I do apologize for that goof. But they do have the 2-step rise on these, and same thing, the 2 rows of snaps for the waist snaps. And then they do have fleece line type pocket. I do love that they have this little thing in the back for when you're stuffing it. It helps keep the inserts inside of it. But this one is the Big, and then the Bigger is in the back. And this is how, you know, they kind of compare size-wise. These ones I think are great because the big one goes from 35 to 70 pounds, which is really, really good. The only downside to these is they are kind of pricey. I believe I paid like $35 for each of them, and they don't come with any type of insert. Some companies will give you, you know, just kind of like cheap microfiber inserts, which I don't like. If there's an option to opt out of those, I typically will opt out of those or opt for, you know, a more natural type of insert. But these ones didn't come with that option, and, you know, you're just paying for the shell of it. The cool thing about these, though, is that you can use it as a pocket, or if you wanted to, you could just lay the insert inside of it. And as long as the lining does not get wet or soiled, you can reuse it. So that kind of saves a little bit of money there if you didn't want to use it as a pocket diaper. They're so great in the fact that you can adjust the absorbency to your needs. So I didn't have the insert that I wanted to show you because I'm pretty sure it's being laundered right now. But say, you know, you just have like a little bit of light wetting, typically, you can, you know, just put like one insert in there. But if you have like more of a heavy wetter, you can, you know, double up or more if you need it to. Honestly, you can even put, this right here is a stretchy flat. It's a bamboo stretchy flat. You can use these in them and fold them up to adjust, like say you have a boy, you can fold more layers in the front. And yeah, it's just, to me, I really love cloth diapers because you can customize them to your needs. I want to go over the measurements of these with you because obviously, you know, products that say like they fit 35 to blah 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 pounds, it can vary based on someone's overall, you know, size and just how they're built. So I will give you the measurements because that's super helpful, and I will explain that to you guys when I get to the bigger one because you're gonna be so surprised. This is the big, and the big for the leg holes is 7.5 inches to 22 inches. That is how big, you know, the hole will get. So it's, I mean, a pretty good size, and they do have, you know, really super stretchy elastic. So I feel like you could probably get away with a little bit of room, you know, for stretching that. The waist on these go from 14 inches to 30 inches, which, I mean, is pretty great, honestly. And then it says that the rise is 21 to 24 inches. That is the max that the rise will go to. This is the bigger. And I mentioned that measurements kind of matter with these because this says it fits from 70 to 120 pounds. But I'm around 155 pounds, and as you will see in the demonstration for this one, it fits me. I mean, it's not like I don't have that much wiggle room, so if I really gained that much more, it wouldn't. But that's still impressive that this can fit, you know, someone my size who is over, you know, their size limit. So I think that's really awesome. The measurements for this one is going to be 11 to 25 for the legs, 18 to 35 for the waist, and then 26 to 29 inches for the rise. I purchased these from Cotton Babies, but you can also get them off of Bumgenius's website, and then I do believe that you can still get them from Nikki's Diapers. I will say that when I ordered them, they told me that they were having a lot of back order with their products. So you may be waiting a little bit, which is kind of a bummer. And that's why I had to wait like 3-4 months for them to get here. But I totally think they're worth it. They're honestly a great, great diaper. If you guys have any questions that I maybe did not answer in this video, just please comment them down below in the comment section and I will answer your questions. And I really hope that you guys found this video informative. And please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss when I upload new videos. Bye guys, and happy holidays.